Here's a quick look at this pre-wired 66 block. Now these are made for many PBX phone systems and other low voltage terminal equipment. Provides an excellent demarc point for the end user's equipment and the phone company. This pre-wired 66 block is designed in mind with fast installation of your 25 pair cable. Every pre-wired block is tested and that saves labor and install time. These are U-socked wired. This one has one male amphenol. And you may also need bridge clips. Don't forget about those. To order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.